it's Megan with WTI, and when I am on a beautiful bike ride, I want to be thinking about the gorgeous scenery and not thinking about how much my butt hurts. That's exactly where this amazing bike seat from DAWAY comes in. This seat is seriously cushy. It is much more comfortable than my previous bike seat. It has made a huge difference to my enjoyment level on my bike rides. It was extremely easy to install. It actually comes with a couple of different options for installation, and I found it to be really quick to change over to this bike seat. This seat is especially helpful if you're riding over rough ground or hitting some bumps like I am on a regular basis. The seat actually absorbs a lot of the impact and I don't notice it nearly as much. It has a really handy light on the back for extra visibility, and it is very simple to turn on and off and switch between the modes. I find the construction and the material on the seat to be really tough and durable. The design allows for great air ventilation, which is great for those really long rides on hot days. I don't think I need to say more. And of course, nobody likes sitting on a soggy, wet bike seat after you leave your bike outside in the rain. So it also comes with a really great waterproof cover so that doesn't happen to you. For the rest of this riding season, I am going to be riding in total comfort and style thanks to this DAWAY bike seat. But that's just my point of view.